Hello.
Who do we have here?
Hello.
Hello. How are you? It's okay. And what's your name, please?
Ngaran Mada Babasedo.
Where are you from?
Mada dari Bima Nusa Tenggara Barat Indonesia.
And tell me a bit about you. What do you do for a living?
Umur nahu pampurba. Nahu akan semaksimal mungkin naik batu American Idol biar nak di juara American Idol.
Okay. And what are you going to be doing for us?
Nahu ne baca salawat Nabi Muhammad SAW.
Good for you. We're all rooting for you.
Salatullah, salamullah, Allah ta'ala Rasulillah. Salatullah, salamullah, ala yasin habibillah. وكل المزاهد لله بأهل البدر يا الله صلاة الله سلام الله على طه رسول الله وكل المجاهد لله بأهل البدر يا الله.
When we find singers on these shows, is it about being technical or is it about being relevant? And sometimes, for me, it's just about being real and a surprise, if I'm being honest with you, because you were so nervous, I was concerned for you. But I think sometimes actions speak louder than words.